Here in this video we deal with a very simple concept of mass percentage and mole percentage in a isotopic composition. Now what does that mean? Now let us say if we talk about say chlorine. Now chlorine is present in the form of two isotopes. Isotopes have same atomic number but different mass number, right? So here if we talk about say composition of chlorine in our atmosphere, we will see that it is present in the mole ratio 3:1. So for every 4 moles, 3 moles will be that of Cl35 and 1 mole will be that of Cl37. So when we talk about say relative abundance, we generally talk in terms of moles, percentage. So out of 4, 3 moles were there, out of 4 molecules, 3 molecules are there for chlorine 35, which means that is 75%, right? So relative abundance of chlorine 35 would be 75%, right? And that of chlorine 37 will be 25%. And here if we have to find the average molecular mass, what is molecular mass? That is basically weight of 1 mole. So if you have 1 mole, then we can see that 3/4 mole will be there of chlorine 35 and 1/4 mole will be there for chlorine 37. So if we just in that case we have to use this formula of the average molecular weight, that will be 3/4 moles of 35 and 1/4 moles, that complete 1 mole of the mixture, and for that we are getting the weight as 35.5, which is the molecular weight of chlorine. However, if we were to find what is the mass percentage, so then we will have to convert their moles into respective masses. For example, I told that 1 mole consists of 1/4 mole of 37 and 3/4 mole of chlorine 35. So let us find their weights. So 1 mole would weigh 37, therefore 1/4 mole is going to weigh how much is this? 9.25 grams. Similarly for Cl35 it would be 26.25, right? So these are weights, right? And now if we have to find the weight percentage, then we are going to use a simple formula. Percentage weight of Cl37 would be weight of Cl37 upon total weight of the composition of mixture into 100. And you can see that these percentages values are different. Earlier they were 25 and 75. Now they are 26.1% by weight of chlorine 37 and 73.9% by weight of chlorine 35. So that is how the difference lies between the mass percentage and the mole percentage, right? So when you are finding the mole percent, that should be mole of that particular isotope upon total moles into 100, and if you are finding the mass percentage, it should be mass of that particular isotope in 1 mole, right, upon total mass, which means molecular mass of the mixture into 100. So that is how the difference lies between mass percentage and mole percentage for an isotopic composition.